Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's SLP update, guys. And if you're not into the Discord, join the Discord, please, because there's a $10 giveaway in the task that I'm giving as well. And for the SLP fans, we do have an SLP channel to chat. Here's your SLP channel, and that's where people just like to talk about SLP. Right, so here we are. I'm diving into the weekly time frame first of all, and this green candle that you see isn't really good. Okay, it's not that good. What you saw right there is not good. This happened just because of Bitcoin actually um, pumping up a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tell you a pattern that people are not talking about, and this is known as a bearish harami pattern. Okay, so if I do open up the bearish harami pattern, this is what I'm going to actually show you. And there is an idealized bearish harami, and this is crypto bearish harami, whatever this is, but we do not have any gaps. Okay, no gap at all. So what you see in the weekly right now, let me try to remove some of the lines right there. Boom and boom. Right, so what you see, this green candle and this red candle next to it, uh, it's like it's holding the green is like holding the red candle on the right side. So this one actually forms up a pattern called as a bearish harami pattern, and that's bearish, not bullish. After you see some couple of green candles to the upside, and then you start to form something like this, that means that there are more drops to come based on the weekly time frame. So it's not gonna be like in one day or a one day down travel to the south, but it's gonna take some few days to actually dump to the downside. Who knows, after 3 to 4 days it could be possible that you just move sideways and people get excited about it, and then boom, it starts to drop to the downside, because that head and shoulders is actually taking us to nearly the 16 level. So I'm gonna mark that blue horizontal line right there. I did talk about the head and shoulder on the 1 hour time frame, so let's go back to the 1 hour time frame here. Yep, so diving into this 1 hour time frame, guys. I'm just gonna zoom out of everything. Yeah, there is a particular, first of all, let me tell you one thing. There's this level of support that you just broke, that one right there. So this was a support you broke, and all you did is, you went down, you're coming back for the retest, potentially at the 228 or 23, and then from there you start to move to the downside. So it's a retest of a broken support, and then you have this left shoulder, that head over there, that right shoulder, and this one isn't good. And that from there to there, I already showed you this one before, but I'm going to do this again. This is where you're breaking out, right? So you're looking to go to 16 right there, 161, just right there. That's the technical target of it. Okay, yeah, so be careful, guys. I don't know how it's gonna go. Is it gonna dump all of a sudden, or it's just gonna go slowly? That I cannot answer, because it likes to go sideways like this, and then boom, and then sideways, and then boom, and sideways, and boom. So it could actually take a long time to reach there, make a wick, and then boom, and continue, because we don't want to get, I said yesterday, you really don't want to get below this yellow line right there, because this breakout will be meaningless, absolutely meaningless, and that wouldn't be good for us to say that it's going to continue to the upside. That's not going to be ideal at all. Yeah, so that's it for today's SLP update. Hope you enjoyed this quick update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.